Jollibee Eagle. You got your glue, balik mo sa inyong and then pass it to the next layer. So that's to the last two layers. Kuya, all you have to do is the same. So turn, wiggle your body in the 5 times, and after that you pump the balloon. So you're pumping your balloon at the center. No, using your butt. Okay, so the first one, mapapump the balloon, so you got it on, and then you say happy birthday sign. Okay, so players.
Thank you.
Oh, di welcome.
Okay, so players again. Hi.
Hello.
Hello.
Hi.
Players, are you ready?
Yes.
Ready. Okay, players. And we count on 3. 1.
Video na ko daan.
Okay, players, in count on 3, the players, you have to wiggle your body, okay?
Isi ayo di